Hi everyone, today I brought to you this amazing hair dryer. It's a very high quality and it's from this brand ARAS. Let's talk a little bit about it. It comes in a very compact design. Look at this. And it has these settings from here. You switch it on from this and you change the temperature from here, and it has the filtration from here. And you can twist it. These are like the safety, so you unplug it from here so you kids cannot switch it on from here, so you disconnect it from the electricity. And it has a magnet from the front and you can just plug this in like that if you want to use this little head. Also, it has this bigger head if you want to use this bigger drying head like that. I can use this to add some curls to my hair. I really love this hair dryer. It even looks really nice and you can carry it in your backpack. It looks very elegant and I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.